ईमो और जो भाई दोस्त थे, एक तरीके से कंफर्म हो चुका है। ओ माय गॉड, लूफी डाइज। ओ माय गॉड, किजारू फ्लैशबैक। होली शिट, वन पीस का नया चैप्टर आ चुका है एंड इट इज गोइंग टू बी एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग, क्योंकि अब है ईमो वर्सेस लूफी। लेट्स स्टार्ट। हेलो, हेलो, आंसर मी। बस बस, हेलो। ओ, दिस लुक्स लाइक रिकॉर्डिंग अ सर्टेन डे, मतलब ईमो फ्लैशबैक में जा रहा। हु आर यू? दिस इज मू। हु इज दिस? ओ मी, आई एम जॉय बॉय। यस, ईमो प्रेजेंट में बोल रहा है, यस जॉय बॉय इज डेड। सो वाई why does you insist on steering these memories? Oh my god, emo has some painful memories of joy boy, मतलब in kind of way it is confirmed कि ये दोनों दोस्त थे। emo और joy boy दोस्त थे, एक तरीके से confirm हो चुका है। heck, लूफी बोलता, heck do I know, हाँ। emo attacks him and oh, emo के जो अटैक है वो अलाइव है, और बिग मॉम के अटैक की तरह वो दोनों एक दूसरे से बात कर रहे हैं। दे आर चेंजिंग मिड एयर। व्हाट टाइप ऑफ अटैक इज दैट? होली शिट, सो ओपी भाई। लाइक दिस, अपने को दिख रहा कि ओ यूं जाके, सॉरी, ओ अटैक यूं जाके यूं हो रहा। नो, दिस इज हैपनिंग लाइक दिस। इट इज हैपनिंग इन सेकेंड्स। इफ यू डोंट नो, एनिमे में अपन जो देखते हैं, द पर्सपेक्टिव चेंजेस एवरीथिंग। ड्रैगन बॉल का पूरा टूर्नामेंट ऑफ पावर हैपेंड इन 45 मिनट्स। एवरी सिंगल फाइट वाज हैपनिंग एट द सेम टाइम, at the same place. So that puts into perspective। और यूट्यूब पे शायद वीडियोस भी है जो कि बता रहे हैं कि 45 मिनट्स में एक साथ क्या क्या हुआ था बोल के। यू कैन सी दैट दैट्स द सेम थिंग हैपनिंग हियर। इट इज़ हैपनिंग, जब आप रियल टाइम में देखते हैं, इट्स लाइक अ फ्लैश। ईमो attacks Luffy and it's a big blast. Luffy is now doing blackface. Oh, Luffy tries to hit Emu and Emu fades and comes behind Luffy. That's like one of the craziest thing a character can do in anime. Just boom boom behind you, scared. Like it's I believe one of the best fades to animate. बहुत बहुत crazy रहता। Emu use करता अपना new sword and tries to deflect Luffy's attack, and it does deflect, or या फिर he defends himself. Luffy says, damn it, I thought that was sure hit. Okay, now, oh, now Emu is going crazy right now. Luffy is definitely on the back foot. Emu is the one controlling the fight. Emu attacks Luffy with missiles type attack. Oh, they're after me. They're like bombs. Yep, they are like missile precision strikes. Jet Gatling. Luffy uses that. Oh, what the hell? What the hell was this panel? And Luffy says, Gum Gum Majin. Oh, this is interesting. This is interesting. What is this from? This is something new. I love the piece of meat. Luffy just transformed into a genie. Ho ho ho! Don't think I missed what happened in your fight with Loki. I'm not gonna let his death go to waste. Luffy is huge right now, bhai. Loki says, hey Jackass, I am still alive. Oh, you're alive and kicking? Damn it all. Get out of the way, Ragnir. Oh, does Emu target? Yep, Emu does target Loki. And Ragnir, oh, that's so cute. Ragnir tries to defend Loki and Loki shouts, get out of the way. और यहाँ पर आते हैं जिम्बे बड़े भाई and deflects an attack from Emu. Luffy in his genie form या Majin form. Majin. This is really interesting भाई, ये form और ये panel. Does Luffy realize he can do anything? Luffy, say the word and I will protect him for you. Thanks, he's my buddy. I leave him to you, Jinbe. Who are you calling buddy, freaking grunt? Loki just abused. Luffy is fighting the guy from earlier. Is he okay? Now, this is interesting. Brook does not know who Emu is. He clearly high ranked the knights. I thought there were only 5 elders above him. I don't know how he knows that, because nobody in the Straw Hats definitely knows that. He could just be head of the God Knights. I mean, they know it now, but before Egghead, I don't think anyone knows, and this is before Egghead knowledge. The world government is always shrouded in mystery. Hey, Brooke, we gotta get back Princess Shuri. What should we do? How to deal with the frozen person? There was that time Robbie and Luke. Oh yeah, that time Robin and Luffy were frozen. They used hot water. Gunko, thou shalt yet not break the ice. मतलब, a man with the afro who refers Gunko as Princess Shuri, it cannot be. Oh, whoa. Sucker punch bullet. Thou doesn't thou not boast about seeing what became of Luffy and his gargantuan body? Stigma. And another bomb attack. Luffy defends and starts running. Emu is again aura farming right here. Holy shit. Now this is interesting. That spear turns into a sword. Does he have multiple? Oh, does he have multiple weapons? Mastery over multiple weapons? Sword of Wailing Void. And oh, the view is the forest is wilting. Oh, is this a sword taking energy from the forest or killing the forest? The view is improving, says Emu. It's clear thou are not Joy Boy. Basically, it's clear you are not Joy Boy. What? Joy Boy would never be this weak. Oh my god, Luffy dies. Oh my god, Kizaru flashback. Holy shit! What a panel! Holy shit! Luffy is dead. Oh my god, Luffy is dead. Oh my god, Luffy is dead. Obviously, not really, but oh my god, Emu fades over Luffy breakneck weight. What a fuck you, man. What a time to take a break. Holy shit. Holy shit. It goes crazy. Definitely goes crazy. Cannot believe this is happening. Cannot believe this is. Luffy is so weak against Emu. Luffy is probably weaker than Loki. 100%. Loki did more damage to Emu for sure. What do you have to say? Comment down below, boy.